How to hide friends list on Facebook. So let's head to the Facebook app. Now click on the hamburger icon with your profile in it. Now we have to head to settings. For that, click on the square icon on the top right corner of the screen. If you scroll down, under audience and visibility, you'll be able to see how people can find and contact you. Second, on this page, you can see who can see your friends list. Now, if you do not want to make it public, then you can select friends. Or if you wish to only show it to your friends, but you want to add some exceptions, then you have to select the third option. Then all you have to do is select the friends that you want to hide the list from. Now coming back, if you click on see more, you can also choose to keep it private and only to yourself. And finally, if you only wish to share it with a few people, then you have to select the option of specific friends. Then select the friends that you want to share the list to. So that is how you can hide your friends list on Facebook. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.